Improve. Now, improve is a new strategy. In improve, it will try to do the in full. If no confirmation is there, it will try to increase and give some confirmation. Maybe not in full. If we can do it, the partial confirmation, that system also will try to do. If the partial confirmations can be given. System will try to do the future confirmations. Okay, if not today, system will try to give the future confirmation. And in this case, system can always try to improve, but there can be a chances where the reduction can also happen. Where the reduction can also happen if the available quantity, is not there, system can also reduce the quantity. Okay. In this case, it will not be reducing the quantity to give it to the win, to give it to the gain. But what can happen, in which cases system it can try to reduce the quantity in this case? Let's say you have an order, okay, of 500 quantities, and there was a supply, or you can say stock was there for 500 quantity, right? In this case, what somebody has done, somebody has went and they have scrapped the stock. This 500 stock was confirmed. This sales order 1, 500 and 500 was a confirmation. It was fully confirmed. But somebody find the stock is not good and somebody has scrapped the stock of 300. Now, when we come into the future, in now situation, this was a past situation. And if I will try the now situation in green, now my stock is 200, but I have already a confirmed order of 500. Then this confirmation is not correct. I will not be able to deliver because stock is not there. It was earlier confirmed. Now, in this case, if this situation happened into the backorder processing, and we have an improved strategy to it, then system can go and also reduce the quantity. Because supply itself is not there. So system will say that 500 is a confirmation, 500 is the quantity, and the confirmation will reduce from 500 to 200. That is going to happen in case of improve. Okay, this is what the improve strategy can do. Win and gain does not reduce, but improve can reduce. But the reduction can happen because of the availability of the supply is reduced, not because win and gain require and improve has given. Okay, so that is a quick that how the improve works, what improve strategy would be doing in aATP.